Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. So just a quick one. As you can see from the title, it's a no trading day for me. One of the slowest days in the market we've had in the last month or so. Really slow day. Not really much action going on. I think the best mover is what you see in front of you is TBLT, and for small caps anyway. And you can just see how it's beneath $1.50. This massive move here is basically 35 cents, so not much range. It's just really a slow day basically. So just to give you an update, took no trades today. Account's nice at 1428. I've checked over some of my stats recently, and I think I'm getting closer to that sort of 70% accuracy, which is great. My profit and loss ratio is getting closer to 1-to-1, which is great. So everything is going along nicely. And today, the fact is, there's nothing in the market really for me to have, so I'm not going to force anything. No trade day is better than a red day, so it continues my green streak alive. We've had 9 green trading days in a row, and the other days between them were just no trade days. So that's pretty much it. It said the only stock maybe, I mean, there was a little move. There was like a very tiny pullback here on TBLT at the gates, but there's no real range. I think the only other one that had decent range on was we had one on ABIO. It's out of my price range. Could have looked to short it. There was a nice move here up at 1760 all the way down to 14. So that had some range, but once again, just the price range was out of my price range, so I wasn't going to take it. And the other one that made a big move yesterday, I think about noon yesterday, it's made this crazy move from basically, you see here, basically the $1 area up to $3.70. I think it even went further than that yesterday, didn't it? I thought it went up to about $5. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I've got it here. I'll bring this one over. I don't know why it's not showing that. But you see here, WKHS. This made a really big move yesterday. I can't remember the news exactly. I think it's something to do with Donald Trump. But anyway, you see how yesterday around noon time it just went from the $1 and it came alive, went up all at 5.75. Sadly, it was just really slowing off. I set my markers at 2 areas. One was this 350, one was this 375. I was going to look to short it at 350, but out the gates it just basically it started to make a nice move. I was getting really interested in it, and then it just sold off, and when it faded hard. So no real clear entry for me, so no trades. I didn't even allocate shares to short because it's a higher float. So I actually wanted to get to that target areas first, but we never got there. But that was pretty much it today. There was really nothing else going. MYOS made a quick move, but quickly sold off. So yeah, rubbish day basically. But we're going to be back at it tomorrow. I know it's Friday, but let's hope the market gives us a good opportunity. This week so far, 3 green days, so 3 out of 3 until today. So we're still green day every day, and if I close, as long as I don't mess up too much tomorrow, tomorrow should hopefully be the end of a green week, which then means it's my 3rd green week in a row. So let's bring on tomorrow. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.